Okay, dude. For context, he would not stop like talking. I couldn't like I don't know where it came out of. Like I don't want to be mean, but I was like, dude, why is he like? He just went on and on about like games he had and like, oh, I did this and like I did this, and then he's like, yes, this one game. Anyways, I already had play noises before this, but then I started recording.
So I use big brain. I don't chase it on that way. I go the other way using big brain time. Oh look, it's big brain time. Fuck you. You don't get to go anywhere. I am slightly horny.
Wait, what?
You can actually stop. Okay. You know, like when there's like this type of fight going on, right? Yo, fuckface.
Hey, the big man!
I will leave voice channel right now.
Wait, really?
I will.
Um,
Like, you know when like most fights like this happen, right? On point. Just use like one or two. I have disconnect right now already.
hmm? Finally, I am free. I am free.